Yo, what is up everyone? Welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video, I will be going over a full network optimization guide for less jitters, more stable network connection, and better ping. Some things we'll be comparing in this video is your before network latency, buffer bloat, and jitters compared to your after. Before we get into this tutorial, make sure to comment below if this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to check out our website at sixtweaks.com to fully optimize your system in under 10 minutes. Enough talking, now let's get into this video. To get started, we will get benchmarks of your before and after, so you can head over to the website with the link in the description and start the test. Cloudflare and this waveform, and then click start test. Once you've gotten your benchmarks, you can head over to our Discord server with the link in the description again, or do discord.gg/sticks, and it will redirect you to our website. The first thing you're going to do is head over to the programs channel, and then I'm going to have a zip folder with some other resources that we'll use later on in this video. But to get started, you can head back to Google, and we're going to update our network drivers. The easiest way to do that is you can right click your taskbar, and then go to your task manager, and head over to the performance tab, then head over to like your Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and as you can see right here is the manufacturer's name of your network adapter. As you can see, I'm Realtek, so I'll head over to the Realtek's website, and I'll have these links in the description as well. You'll either have Realtek or Intel, but just scroll down, and then make sure to click the one that says not support power savings, and then you click download file. And once you download it, you can extract the folder, and then right click and run the exe as admin. Wait for the installation process. Next, install, and this will make sure your network drivers are up to date before we get into this tutorial. Once it says it's completed, just click finish, and you're done for that. I'll show you the process for Intel. It's pretty similar, but here's your website. You'll click download, click the closest region for you. Then you're going to extract this folder as well. And then here's the exe for this. Just right click and then run as administrator. And once you have updated your network driver, you can close all this and then head over your settings, network and internet, Ethernet, and then make sure you're disabled metered connection. Then you head back, click your Windows key and search up control panel, network and internet, network and sharing center. Change adapter settings. Then if you're on Ethernet and you see Wi-Fi here, you can just right click and then disable it. But I am currently on Wi-Fi, so I'm going to right click properties and then uncheck all of these boxes. Client for Microsoft Networks, file and printing sharing for Microsoft Networks. Scroll down and then make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled or unchecked, and same with Microsoft LLDP protocol driver, and then both these link layers. Then click OK. Then right click again, properties, configure. And then make sure all these are unchecked, advanced, and I'll show you a little pop-up of the recommended settings. But then once you change all them, click OK, and then you're done here. Then close this and click your Windows key +R and type gpedit.msc. And once this pops up, go to Windows settings, right click policy-based QoS, advanced QoS settings, DSC marketing override. Make sure controlled DSCP marketing request is checked, and then select ignored and OK. And then click this drop down, policy based QoS. And as you can see, I have Fortnite here, but I'm going to delete it just to start fresh to show you guys how to do it. You're going to right click this, create new policy, and name it whatever you want or whatever game you're going to do this for. So Fortnite, Call of Duty, or whatever. Then put the specified DSCP value as 46. This is the highest number of packets you can prioritize for your game. Next, only applications with this executable name. And right here for Fortnite, you're going to put the Fortnite client win64-shipping.exe. Next, and then make sure this is put the TCP and UDP. Finish, and then you're good for that. You can close this. The next thing you're going to do, that this may help out a little bit, the next thing you're going to do is head over to this website with the link in the description. Click TCP Optimizer 4, save file, and then open your file explorer, and make sure to run as administrator. Just give it 1 second. Under network adapter selection, make sure it's set to your right one. Then slide this all the way to the right, and then down at the bottom to choose your setting, make sure it's put the custom so you can change settings. And then for TCP Windows auto tuning, disable it if you already have good upload and download speeds and you would rather have lower network latency. But if you already have lower upload and download speeds, just set this to normal. Congestion control provider, set this to CTCP. RSS or receive side scaling, disable this. R segment RSC, disable this. Time to live or TTL 64. ECN capability enabled. Checksum offload, you can disable this if you have a better CPU, but if you're mid to low end CPU, enable this. And if you don't know if your CPU is low, mid, or high end, just comment your CPU. You can head over to your task manager, now go to performance again, and comment this name in the description, and I'll tell you if it's low, mid, or high end. The TCP 1323 timestamps, enable. Then at the top, go to advanced settings. And as you can see, if you hover over it, it says the recommended. So just do 10, max number per server, 10. And for this, do 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the max SYN retransmissions, set this to 2. Initial RTO, set this to 2000. The QoS non-best effort limit, set this to 0. Network throttling index, disable this. System responsiveness, set this to gaming. Max user port, set this to 65534. TCP time to wait delay, puts this to 30. Then you can apply changes and you can see all the changes it's making. And then make sure you check backup, then OK. As you can see right here, most of these settings are through the registry. You'll need to restart your PC for it to actually take effect. So just click yes. But since I'm not done this video, I'll just click no. So my PC doesn't restart. And you can close this. Then close File Explorer. Then head back over to Google. And you can head back over to those websites we did at the very beginning for benchmarking. And then click Start Test. And then you can see if your buffer bloat is better. Then it will give you a buffer bloat grade. And most of you should really aim to get an A. But if you get a B, that's fine. But anything really below that, you may need to change settings inside your router to get a better buffer bloat grade. That's all for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching and have an amazing day.